If you would like to update your restrictions, go to your Booking.com's extranet. Click on the Calendar and Pricing page, then click on Calendar. You will see your monthly calendar with the option to set restrictions for a price on specific dates on the right-hand side. To update your restrictions, select multiple dates by either clicking on a date and dragging to the right, or by selecting a start and end date at the top right. Make sure to have your property open for bookings on the selected date range before changing the price. Adjust the value at price per night, update the restrictions of your choice, and click Save. A green bar will appear at the bottom of the page to confirm your changes have been saved successfully.